Hey everybody at Thonia Expert Cleaners and Services. My name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. You had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook, so as promised, I am shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we will be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here, and Facebook is certainly a very powerful tool, but the first place people are going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google, and they're going to want to be able to click on a website from there. So just for reference, and when it comes to explaining content, I did just pull up one of the top competitors here. And just to show you, we'll go through their site. So content would be anything that you can see on the site here. That does include the words, but also the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as can also be considered content. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a website's homepage. And within those 1,500 words, you would want to integrate in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. This website is a very nicely laid out, site. It looks very user-friendly. They do have a lot of pictures. That does look like they have enough content as well. So that just kind of gives you something for reference. But I would certainly suggest getting a website for your company. That's kind of the first step in the journey to ranking on Google. But next up is going to be citations, and I did pull up a quick Google search here for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and really anywhere else that allows business owners to add in their business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for yourself. But you don't just want to stop there. So you would want to double, triple, even quadruple whatever your competition has. So if they have 10 listings, you want to go out and get 20, 30, 40 listings. That is going to help you completely dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high in the maps here. So next up is going to be backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, let's say you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to your site. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful. You all would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, you are a cleaning service, and number two, that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique as well as powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put that competitor that we looked at their website just to give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about here. So it's showing that they have 12 referring domains, which is giving them 17 backlinks, getting them found for 26 keywords, and that's pushing 87 people to their site per month. And let's see if we can take a look at the keywords that they use here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That's going to be anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. We'll also pay attention to this section here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for monthly. So here's a perfect one, cleaning services in Nigeria. So this is a perfect one because it's listing the service or the industry, and it's also listing the location that this company is trying to rank for. and it also has a high volume as well. Cleaning companies in Lagos, cleaning companies in Nigeria, cleaning services. So you can kind of use a same variation of the same type of word or phrase, and it will count as a whole new keyword. And I won't bore you all and go through all of these, but it at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of words or phrases you would want to integrate into a content for your website. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. And as I mentioned earlier, you don't want to just stop there. You want to get whatever your competition has and then keep adding on to that. Those are the kinds of things that are going to get you to that first page of Google, but it will also make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you all today. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your online presence, please do reach out to us and we would love to talk to you about that. But thanks for your time and you have a great week ahead.